Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making broccoli soup for Amy. She requested broccoli soup, so here I'm making broccoli soup and she likes it with garlic bread. I have 1 carrot cut up here and she cuts everything up. 1 sweet potato, a huge sweet potato with 2 small potatoes. I have green onion, pepper from our garden, seasoning pepper, parsley, onion, 1 onion, and 5 cloves of garlic. Looking good. In my pot, I have 2 teaspoons of olive oil, half a stick of butter. Malina is stirring the butter. She's playing with the butter here.
Mom, is it?
Add in onion, garlic, seasoning pepper, green onion, parsley. I will let this fry up for 2 minutes and I'll come. And then I have some hot water there. Carrots, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and potato. And I'll be adding vegetable broth, salt, black pepper, sazon, sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour. Color look amazing. Still frying here. Meanwhile it's frying, I'm making my roti here to eat with my edon balanche curry. That's it here, guys. Looking so nice. I just cooked this. Looks so nice. Edon balanche and roti. And I have some potato here. I'll make chana and potato. It's still fasting, guys, so I'm making lots of vegetarian food today. Color looking nice. Add in the carrots, sweet potato and potato. Oh my god, it smells so good. Add in the broccoli. Look at this color here. Looks so colorful. Roti is coming good. Add in 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sazon. This gives it so nice color and flavor. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Smells so good. Roti looking so nice. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour. Look at those color. Looks so nice. Color. So colorful. This is the vegetable stock I'll be adding 1 box. And then 2 cups of water. 1 cup of creamer, at this color. So nice. This is the creamer I always use. Really good in soup. So I will cover the soup and leave it for 20 minutes until it's softened. Then I'll add some black pepper, cheese, and I'll blend it up. Look at this color. Amy requested this. She really loved broccoli and sweet potato soup with cheese. So I'll cover this and let it boil. Meanwhile, the soup is cooking. I'm doing some garlic bread for the kids. They like garlic bread with the soup. Anytime I make soup, the kids always like garlic bread with it. They dip it with it. This is a good garlic bread. Really, really tasty. Checking the soup here. Looking nice. Another 5 minutes, the soup will be done. Looking good. Soup is done. I'll add half a teaspoon more of black pepper, half a cup of shredded cheese, I'll blend this up, and now it's all done. Using the Emerge blender to blend the soup. Look at the color. Look at this soup color. So beautiful. The color, so nice. Broccoli and sweet potato soup. Looks so nice. Creamy. So creamy. The kids can't wait to try this. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like how it turns out. See you in my next video. Bye. Looking so colorful. Garlic bread looks so nice. Garlic bread looks so nice. Garlic bread and soup. Anyways, guys, this is Amy's soup. She helped me with all the cutting up, all the broccoli, sweet potato, carrot, and potatoes. She helped me cut up all these to make this special soup for her and Melina. A big shout out to my daughter Amy with lots of love.